Hi everyone! Good afternoon and sawadika. I am Michelle Montecarlo, your National Director of Miss International Queen Philippines, and I am now here in Kamol Cosmetic Hospital, Bangkok, finally. I had my first sexual reassignment surgery 23 years ago because I wasn't very sexually active, and because of the nature of my job, which I was so busy, I didn't have time even for myself. I had some complications with my surgery. I think it's about time that I do something good for myself, that I arrange something and I correct something which I think I've been needing and I've been missing in my life for a couple of decades now. So everyone, please follow my journey as I do my revision for my SRS. I've been here in Kamol Cosmetic Hospital and K Garden Hotel for the past 14 days. And my journey was so sweet, was so relaxing, and was safe. From admission to the discharge, I can only say thank you, and I would always be very grateful for the wonderful experience. I'm not new to undergoing this sex reassignment surgery. I've had my first surgery 20 plus years ago, and after more than 2 decades, now I'm here doing my revision. I was skeptical to do it again after 2 decades because of some concerns. One, would it be painful? Second, would it be expensive? Third, do I still have the energy at my age to undergo such surgery? And I'm lucky. And I am grateful and I am happy that I made the right choice to do it now. But not just anywhere, but here in Dr.Kamol Cosmetic Hospital. Here, I experienced that all the nurses and all the staff would take care of your wound till they heal. I experienced having my wounds and my scars cleaned 3 times a day for the process. I waited for 8 days after my surgery to be able to do the dilation. It felt like I was given a new life because of this revision that I did. The dilation process was very smooth. They started from of course, the smaller size to the bigger and bigger, and the depth, they would make sure that you get to have the depth that you want. You get to have the body that you want. You get to have the transformation that you want. So I can only say that, yes, I'm happy with my decision. It took me 20 years, but look at me. I'm here right now, smiling, happy, healthy, and with a new self, a new life, and a new body.